Ready? Start. The supreme question that one has to face today in the world is how we can avoid a world war. Some people seem to think that it is unavoidable and therefore they prepare for it and prepare for it not only in a military sense but in a psychological sense and thereby actually bring the war nearer. Personally, I think that is a very wrong and a very dangerous thing. Of course, no country dares take things for granted and not prepare for possible contingencies. We in India must be prepared for all possible danger to our freedom and our existence. That is so, but to think in terms of the inevitability of world war is a dangerous thinking. I should like this house and the country to appreciate what a world war means, what it is likely to mean. Stop, next para. It just does not matter who wins in the world war because it will mean such utter catastrophe that for a generation or more everything that we stand for in the way of progress and advancement of humanity will be put an end to. That is a terrible thing to contemplate, and everything should be done to avoid this catastrophe. I feel that India can play a big part and perhaps an effective part in helping to avoid war. Therefore, it becomes all the more necessary that India should not be lined up with any group of powers which, for various reasons, are full of fear of war and prepare for war. Stop, next para. We are at the present moment on friendly terms with all countries with our neighbor Pakistan. I think the situation is improving from day to day. It is much better than it was a few months ago. I hope it will improve more. With Afghanistan and Nepal, we are on the friendliest terms. With other countries in Asia and in Europe, our relations are getting closer and closer. Our trade is extending. We should utilize this position, I think, in the United Nations and elsewhere to fulfill the cause of peace. And it is possible that a number of other countries which are not happy at the prospect of war may also support the attitude that India may take up. We have dealt with questions in the United Nations as individual, separate questions, for instance, in regard to Korea, in regard to Palestine, in regard to some other matters too. And we have displeased people because have dealt with individual questions and give our opinion on their merits. I would beg the House to look upon the matter from the wider point of view and form the opinion. Stop. Guys, there is one request. Please repeat the matter for your better accuracy and for your better command. And there is one more request. Please subscribe my channel for your next audio and also give your valuable comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys.